Sorry about that. I hit the wrong button. I thought I hit pause, but I did not. So I can take this Ebony and see how that's kind of darkening that up. We could use this to darken up the values after the watercolor dries, just to kind of help get some definition, because I don't think the watercolor is going to get really dark enough. Okay, I think that'll help. Once this dries, I'm doing this kind of like on the wet, and that's kind of tearing up the paper a little bit, and that's not what we want. But that'll get you an idea about what we'll do after it dries. And using two different media, that is actually called mixed media, which is something I prefer to work with different media on top of different media, because you could do this even with the charcoal. So like this is the medium charcoal. I could come back in here right on top of that. So if I wanted to have but once again, this would all have to be dry. So I can even give you that. If you, after this is dry, if you want to use your pencil or your charcoal, including the white charcoal, you can go back and work that into the Kool-Aid. I think that would be a nice addition to this. But like I said, this has to be dry. This right here is dry. So, and of course, I don't have any white charcoal pencil up here with me that I could show you if I just thought about it. Oh, I do too. Okay, so white. Yeah. So we could add some white in there, and that would lighten that up to giving that a value of a highlight. Oh, yeah. There we are. Okay, so we have lots of options with this last one. Okay, but I do want to get all these finished this week so that we can move on. So this is dealing with line and values. And then we're going to move on to some other elements. We're going to kind of start combining. And don't forget, if you still have things to turn in, you need to go ahead and start doing that. I don't mind that if you're turning in things a little late because of one issue or the other that we might have talked about already. Now, if you're just holding back just because, that's not going to help you for next 9 weeks, the last 9 weeks, because I'm not really going to accept that, especially if you don't have an IEP or 504. That's a whole other issue. That's just you being lazy. So that's that. So let's go ahead and get busy. If you have questions, please ask. Don't wait. And that's it. Thanks.